with suspension in the front just to absorb the bumps. Nothing professional as far as suspension goes. It does have brake discs. They are mechanical, but they are pretty grippy. So I like this brake discs quite a lot. The bicycle has a 250 watt motor in the back with a brake disc also.
Hi, my name is Nestor. Usually I'm the IT guy, but today we are going to test this new electric bike. The model is G650, and as you can see, it's already a good looking bike, nice finishing and sporty style. Let's go to check it. My height is 170, but this bike also fits for higher 180, and the size of the wheel is 20 inches. And as you can see, this comes with very fancy, handy options. You can just push and you can fold the pedal. And here you have a switch. You can release, you can open, and then you can fold your bike for better space arrangement. This bike is full suspension. You have a suspension in the front, and you have a suspension in the rear, and here you can see the motor is 500 watts inside. Here we have the shift lever, which you can use for manual driving. It's a Shimano model 127, or you can use an electric mode using the computer bike. So to turn on the computer bike, just press for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3. And here you have a display, very easy to use. So you can change the speed, have 5 modes. If you can play in 0 mode, you will use the accelerator. To turn on the light, just press the plus for 3 seconds, 1, 2, and 3. You can see the icon here, and you can see the light already on. Using this switch, we can pull it, and here inside, we can see the battery in this side, and the controller on that side. And here is the charging plug, where you connect and charge your bicycle. Bye.